Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. This is Nick from Eurocycles of Tampa Bay, here to talk to you today about the Shoei Neotec. The Neotec is a new helmet Shoei's offering for 2012, not replacing the Multi-Tech over here, which you've come to know over the past couple of years, but just in addition to. The Neotec represents a completely new design from Shoei and an evolution of their concept of the modular helmet. Some of the big things you'll notice right off the bat with the Neotec is that it's been reprofiled. For the first time on a Shoei modular, you get a rear vent here, and also some venting similar to the RF-1000 down here in the back of the neck, providing a lot more airflow overall, because this allows the helmet versus the Multi-Tech to really exhaust hot air from the back of the head. In addition to the new venting, we've got another first, which is the fully removable liner. Open this guy back up. Shoei has completely redesigned the liner, making it more 3D in shape, more contoured, in an effort to make the helmet quieter, in addition to providing more comfort. As you can see, it's the same high-quality liner that Shoei uses throughout the model range in the RF, as well as the Multi-Tech. It's just redesigned, more intricate, more airflow, and quieter. This helmet is actually marketed by Shoei as being quieter than the Quest, which was previously considered the quietest helmet in the model range. Another big addition for the Neotec is this drop-down visor. Really broad, full coverage, UV resistant. I think it blocks up to, Shoei's saying, 90–98% of UV. And it also comes down nice and low. It's positioned inside the helmet at the very front. You can see, actually, because Shoei doesn't want to compromise safety, they've built this ridge into the outer shell, allowing the same thickness of EPA to be constructed into that forward portion where the visor sits inside the outer shell, without bringing it closer to your eyes or really inhibiting any of you who are going to wear glasses. Which brings us to another feature on the Neotec, which is that they've put a really nice port in here for the legs of your sunglasses or prescription glasses, which you can see is not quite as substantial in the Multi-Tech. Just another improvement there. The Neotec ships not only equipped with a pin lock visor, and this is a version of what we've seen in the RF-1100 for the first time from Shoei as far as the visor mechanism is concerned. This latest system retracts all the way at the bottom into a revised heavy-duty gasket, twin lip on the bottom here, and twin-lipped and pretty substantial up at the top. So in the last détente here, you can see, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it's actually pulling back to seat it against the seal, blocking out noise and providing good wind protection. The pin lock visor, we'll actually peel this back so you can see, which comes with the Neotec. Some of you are familiar with the pin lock system. Is a fog-proof insert that'll mount on these pins here, and they're about $70 retail typically. The Neotec actually comes with one in the box, ready to go, and it's a great system. We've used it here before, and have it in stock for some of the other models. Works really well, 100% fog-proof. The Neotec is actually somewhat lighter than the Multi-Tech, and this is a result of all of the technology and research that's gone into redesigning the modular helmet from Shoei. They've managed to actually put a sun visor, add that weight, which many people are going to be really excited about, while still reducing overall weight. And some of the ways they've done this is actually removing this second axis from the helmet that you can see on the Multi-Tech, where the shield mechanism is housed here, and the chin bar actually pivots rearward. On the Neotec, this is central and both chin bar and visor pivoted on the same axis, reducing the weight of the actual whole front chin bar assembly. You know, little final details, just a lot to talk about with this helmet. I could go on. Just to show you some of the thought Shoei puts into their helmets, and particularly this new one in the Neotec. This, if you look real closely here, and I hope the matte black one shows it off, you can see a ridge at the edge of this chin bar. And that actually is intended, absent here on the Multi-Tech, which also just has a bit more of a channel cut in there as compared to the smooth surface here. This is actually designed, and they find these things in the wind tunnel, to push the air away as you pass through at speed, quieting this surface here where you may otherwise get some buffeting at high speeds and noise. So, as always from Shoei, a great offering, a lot of time, thought, resources put into developing this new helmet for you. We've got the Neotec here in stock. If you'd like to come in and try it on, you can check out more info about it on the web from us at eurocyclesoftampabay.com. And hope this was informative. Thanks for stopping by, and safe riding.